What's up everyone and welcome. Today we'll quickly be going over Krater.ai's /build. /build is a very versatile tool built for making websites, diagrams, and a bunch of other stuff. We have more longer in-depth tutorials on /build down below. This is just a quick 3-minute rundown of what /build can do. When using /build, I recommend you using one of the heavier models. I don't recommend using something like Gemini 2.5 Flash because it is very code heavy to use /build. So in this case, we'll just use Sonnet 4.6 because it is quite fast and it is a little bit cheaper than some of the even more expensive models. In this case, we'll just say make a small, simple as that. Make a small minigame where an alien have to jump over moon rocks. And then it just gets to coding. And here we go. I just want to show you the menu in here and then I'll show you an example of what I actually did with a few iterations and a heavier model. In Studio, which is what we call this little managing thing on the side out here, and then we'll open over here. You can see the different dimensions. And then you can open it in a new tab. So here we have the game in a new tab. This is what it looks like in its full. And then on top of that, you can publish it as a real website. Now this is where I think it's very big because you can make small mini games for your friends or for your company. I know there are some big marketing companies and stuff that make mini games to draw attention to the products. And then you could just give it a little bam, and then you can publish it. And one thing I use this for is something called TCG packs.creator. Site, which is just a little fun website I made with I think it was 2 prompts back and forth. I'm trying to master set every pack made in Pokemon, and for me to keep track of what I need, I just quickly make this website, and I can always access it, and I can download it down as a file, so I have all the data I need across websites. So it is very neat /build. You can use it for a bunch of different things. You can make landing pages, which there's a tutorial down below to do that. And there you can make mini games, and you can make what I just made there, a little collector thing, and you can make diagrams if you need to represent some data to your boss. You can make that. Like it's so versatile, which is why I love /build, and which is why we had to cut this video short, because or else I would be sitting here for multiple hours talking about /build. We have 2 longer tutorials down below, and they will be releasing more tutorials on /build in the future. If you have any questions, please let us know down below.